Rolls-Royce states that the 2025 Cullinan has undergone modest enhancements by adding the 2 suffix to the model names. The UI is the main area of improvement here. A V-shaped set of slanted air vents has been added to the front bumper redesign, and the iconic Pantheon grille remains, albeit illuminated. The rectangular headlamps are flanked by a new LED strip in the shape of an L. The entire bolder aspect is enhanced by the high-gloss black coating on the rear bumper. The design is finished with a polished stainless steel accent surrounding the exhaust and a brushed stainless steel protective plate. New 23-inch wheels with 7 spokes that were entirely machined from an aluminum billet in one go are available. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan is anticipated to cost between $392,000 and $454,000, depending on the trim and options. The Cullinan's twin-turbo 6.7-liter V12 produces 563 horsepower. 592 in the Black Badge Edition, and operates quietly to avoid disturbing the VIPs in the cabin. All-wheel drive is standard, although we doubt customers will ever wander off the road to risk damage the paint. The Cullinan is equipped with air suspension, which uses information from a road scanning camera to automatically modify the vehicle's height to compensate for surface imperfections. The Cullinan's ride comfort exceeds that of normal luxury vehicles, since it wafts along the road and conveys nothing disagreeable to those inside. We tested a Cullinan, and it reached 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds, impressive for a car weighing about 3 tons. The large interior is decorated with a laundry list of materials apparently sourced from the mansions of the British ruling class: box-grain leather, lamb's wool carpeting, stunning wood trim, and milled aluminium accents. The most significant upgrade is the new full-width glass panel, which contains instruments and infotainment. A new feature for 2025 is a full-width glass panel that combines entertainment, driver data, and instrumentation into one unit. Remarkably, the redesigned 2025 model does away with the previous upholstered trim piece that could be used to conceal the touchscreen, aka the invading digital reality. Now operating on the display is Rolls-Royce's most recent infotainment system, named Spirit, which was initially seen in the electric Spectre. Customers can listen to the 18-speaker, 18-channel, 1,400-watt audio setup live or pair any kind of Bluetooth headphones with the backseat entertainment system. There are 2 back screens that can stream and show different material.